Hello and welcome back to #Rebirth, the stream where we gonna rebuild the TMS Gaming website. If you don't know what TMS Gaming is, it's my gaming channel and stuff. Yeah. So last time we finished the schedule. We have now a watch now button that leads us to the information of the stream, and what I did off stream is I made those pictures fitting, and we have now a watch button everywhere, including some small information things. So the YouTube watch button goes to YouTube, the Twitch goes to Twitch, the Mixer goes to Mixer, and this one goes to watch/live, which gonna be an own watch page, which you're gonna use YouTube or Twitch, depending on if YouTube or Twitch is enabled. Because what works as well, what I did as well, is if we say this is not on Twitch or this is not on YouTube, for instance. If this is not on YouTube and reload, we'll say not available this stream. So that works as well. And then the watch page would include not the YouTube page, but Twitch page, obviously. So we're gonna build today the watch page. Basic designs we'll have like on the big left YouTube implementation, and on the right or on the bottom. I think maybe bottom would be better. We will have like features such as soundboard, etc., but we will do that in an own step, because if we look at our Trello board, yeah, we just do a basic thing, and not the notification system, the dynamic tool on the watch page is an own thing. So we do that later. So for today, we're gonna do the basic design of the watch page, plus audience goals, donation, usage, probably. So that is the plan. And yes, fucking JavaScript errors. Go away. Okay. Yeah. Another thing that I found out that we have a mistake is this. Because if we have a live stream, or two live streams that are less than 32 hours apart, it will show both of them. Because here we say if it's live, if it's live stream and it's running, we will add the hide on not live, which is done over here. So we check if it's live, and if it's live, we show it, and if it's not live, we will hide it. The thing is, if we have more than one thing here, we have more than one hide on not live, it will show both. So what we have to do, if it's live and there are multiple of them, just show the latest one. So let me show you an example. If we copy this and say 13/22/30 episode 3.5, and we do another one that runs like tomorrow 5. If we have a look at that, we will see that this one is live, but the other one isn't. Eh? Because we're obviously, because this is running within the first hour, so it shows it anyhow. But if we would be now live, it will show this and the old one. So what we have to do here is, if it's live, else Then we have to hide all of the hide on not live except the last one. So how does this work? So we will obviously need echo script. End of script. End of echo. And in the script we have to get all elements. I think I know how it works, but I will Google it for safety. jQuery, or maybe the best way to show this right now is to have two streams that started like 2 minutes apart. I mean, it makes no sense, obviously, but this way we see the problem, which is, okay, this is over, but it shows us live. Problem is we can't really test it though, because the, where is it? Hide on not live is only if the hours is more than 1. But anyhow, I think we can do this. So jQuery get all elements with class. Where's the way jQuery get all elements with class except last? I'm trying to hide every element with a particular class, except for the last instance of it. This. It should work. Then here, actually we don't need to do it super fancy, because it's just one line anyhow. So we say dot hide on not live hide, so hide all of the hide on not live except the last one, not last. So always override. Yeah, obviously this won't work now because they're both live. But most important thing for us is that it will show definitely our TMS is back episode 4 or what it is. Why can't I enlarge it if it's not doing anything? GG. Yeah, it shows definitely that. That is important. That's not hiding the last one. Okay. Yeah, I think this part is done. Pretty much. Okay. Why's the music? Okay. Good. I don't know. Good. Yeah, I think that works. It should work. If it's not working, I'm doomed. Next one button for watching on custom watch page only if not mobile. that is something we have not embedded yet, which is we will only show this watch button if it's not on mobile, because on mobile it would not make any sense to use this. So where are those? In the panel printer schedule. No, not panel printer, I'm stupid. We're on the watch page. Watch index. So, yes, here we have the cards. We need to open the watch. PHP script. So, this is printing information. This is the platform cards. Yeah, we have to add something here. Or we do it situational. So like, if it is TMS, I can do this. I'm always going to the wrong index. So if the name is TMS, yeah, because TMS will always be enabled. Yeah. If name is TMS, then we have to check. Check if twice. So, and I think there is a way to find that out in PHP. PHP check if mobile or desktop. Okay. Basically, what we want to check is if when Mac, Linux, or Ubuntu is in there. And pragmatch returns true if it's something in there or not, as far as I'm aware. Returns an in. Oh, okay. So it's one. If it finds that. Okay. Then we're gonna do a new function here. Public static function. Watching on mobile. Which will simply do I think it's enough if we search for Windows. I mean, Windows 95. Oh, there's a handheld browser. Mobile. Okay, then maybe we just check for mobile. Track match, mobile. /I. And we return track match. We'll see. 1. So this will return 1. True if track match, if it's found on mobile. Then it's 1, and we'll say, okay, we're watching on mobile. Okay. Then we here say if watch or on mobile. On mobile. Wait. All. Then we will, if it's not on mobile, we'll do this. And if it's on mobile, then we do not available on. Yep. Watch not found. Ah, because it's watch selector. Because we have 2 classes in here soon. Stream, okay. Now let's check it on here. Gaming. Work in. Fuck you, Google. Watch now. Not available mobile. Fuck yeah. I mean, you can see it. But. And the site works pretty well on mobile devices as well. Look at that. We have all the platforms. Good. Super nice. So we can definitely check that off our list. Okay. So what we need to do now is make a new website for the watch live. I'm gonna save this as a copy and watch, and there a new folder called live. And in here we have the index P. Gonna open that, watch live. Okay, so we need. Yeah, we need that for the dynamic features. We won't need the schedule or ask TMS. We need Oh, we don't need the panel printer either. But we need the watch script. Plus, we have to care. Now, pull is out. Oh, here's folders. Let's copy that then. tms-gaming. Got that. So we won't need a main. We won't need. We won't need the ask TMS nor the schedule. We need the general. That's it. Is, by the way, the background. Oh, that's banner BG. Okay. Wait, does that work? Why does that work? It's really... Ah, because it's URL, it's executed in here. Ah, okay. Good, so what we need now is basically something like an iframe. I'm not sure if an iframe would work that good. Embed, website, in website. Embed. So this is not even a YouTube thing? This is a YouTube thing. But how would it be a YouTube thing? YouTube has nothing to do with other websites. Except they have like a spider bot that goes through all the websites that have embed tags in them. Which would be completely sick. So, but what we want to do here is, if we're going to the watch side of TMS, then we have to build another target. Which would be on the wrong side. We have to build this target dynamically. Dollar TMS target is live slash if YouTube is 1, so if YouTube is enabled, we're gonna do $TMS target is, oh wait, we can actually do already platform equals, and here we will add YouTube. If YouTube is not enabled, we're gonna use Twitch. I'm gonna put that up here. Obviously we are in PHP. Then we're gonna say the platform for our TMS, or the target for our TMS, is live/?platform equals, and either YouTube or Twitch. And in here we're gonna use this. So here TMS_target. Which means if YouTube is enabled, it bring us to YouTube, else it will bring us to Twitch. I mean, it won't bring, but we will use that information. If we're here, platform equals Twitch. Nice. And if YouTube would be enabled, this is the string. Then it goes to platform. Nice. Good. Then in here we're gonna do the obvious, which is target platform is YouTube. And if we get a platform get member, and if that get platform is Twitch, then we're gonna say target platform. So for test cases, we'll just echo it out here. Echo target platform. Oh, there it is. Okay, here it says YouTube. If it would do the Twitch, it will say Twitch, and if someone is funny, what's going on, it will default to super. Nice. Okay. Good. So in here we're gonna do the embed. I lost already, but new Windows 10 features are OP. So the width is all the way. Maybe we should just do it with length. Like YouTube. Do this. Target embed is this on default, and do this. Embed. Okay, and in here we're gonna put target embed. Yeah, for the height, let's leave it for now at that, or 800. Yeah, do this. And if we go to watch now and watch, YouTube refused to connect. That's not good. Why though? And more importantly, is Twitch the same bitch? Twitch refused to connect. GG. Fuck. But why? Refuse to display in a stream because it's set to X frame at the same origin. That means it probably doesn't allow us to do that one. Refuse to display X frame options to same origin. We have to use the embed. But is there an embed for live channels? Let's check that. Embed YouTube live website. No, not the live stream. I want the whole. Aha. Now that should hopefully work. But I'm not sure if it will show the chat as well. No, this is only stream itself. Shit. YouTube. Embed live chat website. No, I don't want to move video ID. Does this maybe work with the channel as well? That would be super good. I'm always opening fucking Spur. What am I doing? Can I click more things wrong? So we copied the channel and I want to go now to this and do this. Shit. Okay, this is a problem. I think we have to change plans. Maybe rather something like open tools. I don't know. problem. YouTube is even breaking down now. Please, YouTube, why you do this? Okay. So what we need to do for now is, first of all, definitely do that to target equals blank. We do everything in a new tab. Okay. So what we need to do now is change it. I think we can make tools make work on mobile as well, then it's not a problem. Okay. Then, first of all, we can fuck this scheme as target. And be like, this will be tools. Okay. Okay, this goes now to watch tools. And furthermore, we don't say YouTube specs and TMS fan features, but use dynamic tools in the string onboard. Padding. we're gonna do is if $name equals tms, else we will do this. And if it is tms, we rather gonna use the notification button, like color-wise. Box. Something like that. We can clearly see that this is different from those. Okay, so then what we need to do is life. Okay, completely throw that shit away. Same with FileZilla. Life folder. I think that looks fair. Okay, good. I think we're gonna do a small break now. But before, let's update our Trello a little bit. No custom watch page. And basically our watch page is more like hold on, I have a Google feature. Okay. And instead what we're gonna do is not open this in a underscore blank, but in a new window, small window with nothing like, you know what I mean? HTML open window. A new small window. Yes, this is exactly what I want. Wrong. There. We're gonna embed this here. gonna throw that on my second screen. So that we can do it. I want to work side by side here. So we have the website. So the only thing we need in here is if it is TMS. We won't do that, but we will do a onClick equals pop up flow with the website. Then tms toolbox. And then the size. 600 500. I have no idea. That's just fine. Okay. Close it. This, that. And we will need a track here. That was void 0, so it doesn't do anything. Probably we could just do a hashtag as well. But it's okay. Now let's test that. I mean, that works. Fuck me. No, I overwrote something important. We don't care about estimates for now anyway. Just change date. Ooh! This one is sexy! The big question is, what does it do on mobile though? That's gonna be interesting. What does it do on mobile? Open toolbar. Just opens it in a new tab, which is super nice. But I have 41 tabs open. What the fuck? Just deleting tabs. Wait. Probably there's porn in there too. Fucking god. Not porn, but yeah. Good. So that is super sexy. And I'm back. Where's the now? What? Where does this come from? I wasn't on that bit. What is happening? Upgrade check. Okay, so that looks actually nice. So we have, I mean, we can make it a lot more, like 500, 800. Why is it breaking when I wanna? Oh wait, the ask? Oh no, this. What the actual fuck is happening? Time to open browser again. Oh, this is the option. This is super weird. Why is ask.tms? Not even a problem from... Okay, let's remove everything except step and jQuery because they are annoying to copy. Time to get moving. Yeah, I want to do a break. Anyhow. So, copy that. Well, now it did it. Always having problems with the last one. Why? Oh, now it's... That took long. Okay, watch now. Open toolbox. Super sick. Super sick. Good. Okay, now we can go into a short break. Oh, wait, let me check something. Okay. So... Yeah, I would say we do next thing audience goal confirmation usage. But basically just cards like here. Without the functionality. We can add functionality as well because we're beginning scripting now. So that's cool. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Like time-wise, we're at like halfway in the time. I mean, day 14 with 16 days left. Not exactly half time, but even a little bit more time. And I would say, I mean, dynamic tools, we have to do an application that can receive the stuff. It's gonna be a little bit more complicated down here. But I think rebuilding the website for racing shouldn't be a big problem. And yeah, the OBS stuff shouldn't be that bad either. Okay, then short break, and then we see us again in around 5 minutes. Woo! So we're back. Yeah, what we did so far isn't that bad. I mean, the watch buttons obviously go to the right website, and the open toolbox opens a window with the right page. That all we did? I mean, we worked a lot on things that don't work. How we fixed the schedule thing in case there are more than one thing. It will not show our stream anymore now. But we have that all. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that works for now. So we're gonna create just a new short website. This as a template tools index blop. Open watch tools index. In here we will have what we will have. We don't need any printers. We don't even need... Yeah, we might need a database. Let's leave it in. Title? Do we need a title? I think it's set automatically. Oh no, it's not set automatically. It's obviously. TMS. Tools. Toolbox. Description keywords. Blah blah blah. I don't think we need that. The styles, we leave the general thing in there, but else we remove everything. By the way, we need to go out to... one is watch, another one is main directory, yes. Go to. So then we need to load all of that. And in here we'll just have do. So, index watch. Okay, so it just says to do. Good. Okay, the TMS toolbox is running as well. There are no tools yet, but that's another topic. Okay, so we're gonna do audience goals. Why is the music so fucking loud all of a sudden? Ah, I tell you, I hate it. Maybe I should do a compressor that limits it. But okay. Okay, audience goals, donation usage is the next thing we want to do. Audience goals. Okay, so we do a checklist first. We need database structure for it. We need PHP for displaying cards. For now, that's more than enough information. And we actually need the exact same for the other thing. Nah, donation usage is a little bit different. Whatever. So, that means we go away from the watch, from the schedule, from everything. And instead, we're gonna make a new... There is an issue. Trying to get property non-object schedule. Just close that. Schedule 141. And it's gone. Okay. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's always a good sign of good programming. By the way, did you guys hand in some comment? Or nah? Nah. Boring. Why you no keep? Okay. Anyhow. So. Okay, schedule works. Okay, then we need a new thing for public static function audience codes. And we'll probably need the database connection actively. We're gonna have a source that we're gonna return. What we're gonna do. And in here we will have a new div row in which we're gonna display the panel preview audience goals, I think I called it, and end of div and end of audience goal. Good. Then I would say we just start simple with obvious code. Be that. So let's just call it really audience goals. I don't know. Okay. Moment. The goal is reach. I don't know. Do we even need a card footer here? Let's just leave ... in for now. Okay. And what we need for now is... Okay, let's do the database first. So we're gonna do a new... and goals. Okay. What we need is platform. Called, I don't know, YouTube. Saturation, UTF-8. General CI. That's gonna be a primary and number is another primary or amount. Let's call it amount. Okay, so if we reach a certain amount on a certain platform, we will do something, and the something will have probably an image and a title. So thumbnail as a varchar. Platform will be 10. Thumbnail, let's do 500 so we're on the safe side. And we are in UTF-8 general CI again. And let's call it text. And it's all 500 to be safe. UTF-8 general CI. Good. I would say we can leave it like this for now. So save. Let's insert one for now. For YouTube, if we had 200 subs, I don't know which image to use. Let's use resources. I don't know. Obviously. Thumbs, no fun. You can use that as a default value as well. We reached 200 subs. I don't know. So, is that the right path? It is. Good, then we're gonna use that as a default value. Whoa! Hello. So change default as defined this one. Okay. Yoop. Do it right or don't do it at all. Okay. Okay. Good. So we do card. Always. Gonna open the schedule now. Okay, we need to get somehow amount of YouTube subs, amount of Twitch follows, and Mixer follows. That is something we do. Let's create a new file for now. Class audience goals. And here we call it audience goals. Good. So we have that. We're gonna embed that already in here into audience goals.php. Good. That's the first easy step. So, how do we get number of subscribers YouTube API? But I don't want to use the without using API. Haha. Ooh, that's sexy. That's good. That's basically how I would steal data. So basically, he uses the subscribe embed, which looks like this. I will show you in a second. Looks like that. Basically, he just reads the number out of there with Pregnant. So that is super smart. Fuck me. So many things open. This is not in the right order anymore. So. Echo interval matching 1. Yeah. I mean, this will only work as long as it does not change anything. So here, let's do public static function get amount of stuff. Obvious. For that we're gonna open the we need to open the picture. What? No. But in here we should have some ouch already. I mean, I could have put, but that would be too easy to put it. So, fetch the subscribe button HTML, expect the subscriber count. Oh my god. Why add spaces? Learn to fucking read. Disgusting. Okay. And for now, just do in here. We will do dot audience get amount of YouTube subs. I don't think it was. We don't need a database. We don't need anything. It should just work. Okay. Finish goals, nothing. Panel printer 94. Oh. That should be the mistake. I guess. To save it. $195. Why is it outside? Eh? What? Audience goes DB. Out. How and why? Or is this just better move? It's somehow in a row. Oh, I know why. Because it echoes and not return. I'm a smart fella. Because the code is run somewhere else, then obviously now it works. Because now it returns and does not simply echo. Because echo means the row is built and then we run the script and it's written directly there instead of return and then echo. Okay. So we get the actual... That is already super good. What I don't like about this is that it sometimes it does not return anything. I mean, on the other hand, it should work. There's basically no way it would not work. Okay. Good. How to get Twitch followers. Oh. Yeah, fuck it. Alex follow account. First it's Kraken, which is not even a thing anymore. Wait, this is the request? Oh, this is the request. But this is Kraken, this is not Helix. I need Helix. Ah, Twitch, API, Helix. Fuck's sake. Why is everything old? New Twitch API, thank you. Where is Kraken used for follow number? Channel. Where's channel? Get users. Okay, there's someone at the door coming.
Search for dollars this year. It isn't coming back. Is that scary?
Oh, I'm back. Damn you, Stream Deck, do something. Oh, postal service and wanted money and bleh. Where is follows? This it? Ah. So who follows? And the user ID. How do I get my user ID? Oh god, this again. I think we fixed that, right? Go to, what? No, not fucking Twitch. What was the schedule? Yeah. Yeah, because it needs a header. Okay. Public static function. Get amount of Twitch followers. And in here, we need to do quite the same as in here. Audience goals. There we are. So, we need the get method. We need a header. So, the new... This. Follows to ID. How do I get my Twitch ID? Get Twitch ID. Aha. That is super nice. Username or user ID, tms-gaming, YouTube. User ID. Thank you. So this is my user ID. Maybe for now return request data so we see what's in there. Followers and in here we just do now. Oh no, panel printer. Do a break. followers. Good. Yeah, this is a Ray. No shit, Sherlock. 87 is an issue. Why is this an issue? Array to string conversion. Yeah, fuck you, dude. PHP. I think there's print underscore R. Huh? Okay, so we can remove this from Chrome now. Don't need this anymore. PHP array to type implode. Oh. Or does it? Wait. Ah, yeah, sure. Implode and then space between the values and the array. Okay, so do colored which data is this. This. And we're gonna do here. We could have done it in line. Let's do it in line. Implode. So dot implode, and instead of array, we're gonna use. We don't need this now. Good. Object of class std class. Because it's not an array. Why is it lying to me? This is a JSON. Yes. Which could be JSON object. This is already. So it should be. Alright, actually. Where's the Twitch API? That should do it. Five. I think this is exact. I think this is not working. 35. Yes. Nice. We have the Twitch number as well. Book yeah. But I think we need another thing in the database, which is after tags. Goal transformed. Let's call it goal transformed, which means if we hit the goal and I did like schedule something or produce something that is this, then this should be true. So if I hit this on, if it's 0 and we hit the goal, it will just show on the website, yeah, we reached the goal, further steps are done soon. And if I say goal transformed 1, which means I have done the video, blah, 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 then it's completed, or goal completed. No, I don't want to copy. Oh, goal done. You know what I mean? So I can say, okay, go all the next things. Where it's big, where a goal is done or something. I don't know. Show everything where the goal is not done, and it will even show things that we already passed, but I did not complete yet. So it will still show you that worked. I think that's a good idea. But I'm thinking about maybe instead of using the thumbnail, why not use as we did on the watch page with the platform images. I think that would be smarter than using like a thumbnail. Why would I need a thumbnail? I mean, I could teaser stuff, but on the other hand, I can tease it with the text as well. Let's remove the thumbnail. We don't need it. Okay. One thing that is missing is get Mixer followers. Full-time Mixer follower count. Lol, dropping, boy. You dropping. Website. Or get follow API. Mixer have an API. There's probably some kind of... Okay, these are all links, so there is more information. Follows the channel. Ooh, you can follow the channel with a request? Wow. That's super nice. The API is good. Follow, unfollow. Is there information of listing? Paging at the listing of the channel's follower. This needs... Okay, and it returns. What does it return? No number. I want to get a number. Follows the channel. Nah. Change the emoticons over. What? Mixer is OP. Holy shit. This is really not bad. Why is this red? Deprecated. Maybe it's in users. Users. Follow. I just want a number. I just want a number. I don't want anything more. Path page 1. Download 1. Have own classes in their API and stuff. This is really well made. But where? Dude, you can do anything. If specified, the X total count header will be omitted. So you get the total count. But where? It doesn't say it. Oh, there it says. Whoops. API rate limit exceeded. How much is there? How big is the rate limit? Rate limit mixer API. Even upload things. Everything is working. User read. 500 requests. So I can read every minute. No such endpoint. Okay. Yeah, that's fine because it's not an endpoint. Class, basically. Okay. So users. Where was it now? Users follows. So this needs the user. The ID of the user. How do I get the mix user ID? Go to Mixer real quick. Maybe there's some more user ID. Can I show you things that are in there? I hope I don't. Yeah, I'm gonna. Or maybe there is like. Don't think. Respect. Okay, I got. Okay. Ooh, they offer. Super. Okay. Anyhow, where do I get my user ID now? uh. Get my user ID. It's a user lookup. There isn't a user and channel is not this. Yeah, no, you can see it. Fuck off. Okay, I got my number. So let's go public static function get amount of mixer followers. Okay. So basically I will need quite the same as here. Okay. Then what we need is users and then users the int of the user. Fuck me. Damn, I love API. Okay. First part is and we have slash users. Okay. Wait. Users, then my user ID. This. Slash. Follows. The method needed is get. That works. Oh, there is just a link there. Okay. This gives us back a JSON with next. Okay. Then fuck me. Wait, I closed it again. X total count. That's a problem. That won't work. Let's leave it like this for now. Maybe it works. Who knows? Probably it doesn't. Oh. Now I need to put my client ID. Which is this. Okay, let's just put it in for now. The panel printer we will print now as well. Audience goals, get amount of mixer followers. I doubted that this will work like this right now, but who knows? I know. Not even going to do it. Oh, I just. Now we have errors. Yes. Use of undefined constant. Yes. Obviously. Total assume total. Yeah. Count total for total. Doesn't this just work like an array then? I think it should. Oh, I need to transform it into an array now. I mean, at least. Let's just return week for now. And in here, input. Maybe get some data out of it. Who knows? Don't know. Don't try. Invalid argument passed. An amount of mix of followers. Using this screen over. JSON to array. JSON.parse. I want it the other way around. No, not a JavaScript. I wanna do this. JSON decode. Yeah, already an array. But it's not a numeric array, it's an associated array. Wait, let me check something. Can I just gonna do this on the screen again? Because I wanna see if it works at all. That and as a header, we're gonna do okay, so this works. You can do these API calls in API request. Oh, to just see what happens in. Unsuccessful. Right, my shoe. Get users. Oh, users. Box. Zero. What? Do I have zero? Mixer? Flowers? I don't think so. I have 23, okay. Get a response 200. Okay. Yeah, I don't need my user ID but my channel ID. I think X total count is get this bag. Yeah, I got a link. So the request is successful. Because I couldn't use that on my own, right? Look at that. Or do I really need the channel? Ah. What? Okay. This is not my information. What? This is life of the E3. This is not what I wanted. But I follow what is known for. This is not what I want. I want the number of fucking followers. Maybe just uses user. Okay, we just need the users and the user number. And then I think it should be data add or data and followers. I think it's that. Ah shit, I'm just imploding. Not the goal. And implode a number. Nope. Non-object. Or is data the whole thing and this is an array with non-followers? Because it is decoded, it should be an array. Nope. Trying to get property of non-object. Just question. No, that's not. How do I access a body? I think it's data. It's that. But we're super close. Nope. Okay, let's do the same thing again with the Twitch. Maybe I understand then what's happening. Yes, and in here we have data. Whole. Curly bracket open. And then that. Just so messed up. There's very important thing. It's just request on followers, and that doesn't make it. That was again an issue. Say 23. That's 0. Thing. Another object in between. Handle. Whoa! Bitches got slapped. Sorry. I'm a little bit happy right now. Because usually I really suck at APIs and whatever and barely use it at all. Worked! Okay. Now I'm doing a break. Because now shit's getting real. Holy shit, it works. I get... You know how long I tried to get that on the old TMS website? To get any information at all? Superb. Woo! Okay, I can close all of that there. Yeah. Okay. Database structure. HP for displaying cards. Yeah, this looks like now I've done nothing, but this is amazing. It works. Works. Yes. I'm happy. Gonna like that so you guys know what's up. Okay, I'm gonna do a short break. See you guys soon. 5 minutes, maybe 10. Who knows? There's small issues. It's like, I don't care now. I go big. Oh, we're back with super good results. What I mean? What I selected here. These look like 3 random numbers, but they are actually. Oh, look. 141 schedule. Ah, so sometimes we don't get a response. Test that. Happens if we don't get a response. This time I'm gonna do it on the screen so you can see what I use, which is called API request IO, which is super nice for some stuff. So I just put in here my get target, and I need my client ID in the header. Headers, client ID, this one. If we send that, we get unsuccessful because too many requests. Incoming blue shell. Ah, it this one, headers, client ID, one, and yeah, because we get data if something is there. Let's generate now again the mistake or the problem. So many requests. Now we get one. If the status is 4 to 9, we have too many requests. So in the Twitch, is Twitch live? Yeah. If dollar request what was it? Okay. Status? So what was it? Status is 4 to 9. We return too many fuck. We have a problem now. I return null. And in the schedule, bullshit over here. Schedule. Follow life. And a print schedule card. Where do we call print schedule card? I think in print schedule card. Oh wait, that's the wrong life. I'm retarded. Bullshit. Here we are. If schedule is Twitch live is null, then we say echo too many Twitch API calls. This will be outside of the row though. And else we do this. Then we do 2 calls in a row. That's bullshit. $dollar with life result is this. If dollar life result is null, not right. That should work. Too many Twitch API calls. We need to do it different though in the schedule, which is if request data null, then we check for that. Or just we too many Twitch API calls. Okay. We will need to fix that somehow. Maybe before we do the panel printer. Like use the live result before that and then let's leave it for now. And we have too many Twitch API calls all the time. Yeah. Doesn't matter for now. So what we're gonna do now is Next goals is audience goals. Get next goals. And then we insert the YouTube subs, Twitch followers, or this current subs, current Twitch subs, add and current not subs followers. The followers is audience goals, get amount of mixer followers, and we're gonna give it that. So current YouTube subs, current Twitch followers, current mixer. Okay. Okay. And what we're gonna do now is in the get next goals, public static function get goals, we got the YouTube subs, Twitch followers, and mix followers. And then we do get, or maybe private static function get next YouTube goal. Subs. Oh, we will need the database in here. Database. All database. Oops. Get next. Use this. Select. Need the database. We need the amount and text. Select amount text. Where platform like YouTube, fuck me, and golden, I think it was called, is 0. So select from audience goals goals. Right? Goals. Yes. Where this. And we will do amount ascending. Limit 1 because we just want 1. Yeah, and we can return this at 0. Get next goals. Next goals is an array. And next goals at YouTube is audience goals get next YouTube goals database and subs, and we return next. So right now we go to the panel printer and would print out $next goals at YouTube at amount. I think it was called amount. Yes. Then we should get 200. So we don't need to watch anymore. Give me 200. Missing argument 4, get next goals. Oh yeah, obviously. Okay. 200. Yes! That works good. Okay. So instead of amount, if we use text, we should get first 200 subs on YouTube. Nice. Okay. And now we're gonna do this for YouTube. Audience goals get so the way we did a mistake. No, we didn't. We don't have the number in. So actually, why do we even want that? We don't need that. And next goal, next switch goal. So we just copy this times. One is next switch goal. Like switch. X. Nice. Good, that should work. Let's fill our database real quick. Other things. Which 100. Twitch. And copy that once again for mixer with on Misa. Okay. So that should work. We get the next goals. Now we just need to be like print the goal cards. That is goal card. Don't use. Probably needed. Print goal card. And here would be like need current. No, we don't even need the current. We already got it. We don't want to do two. Current amount. Okay, let's start with platform. Current amount, or goal amount, and source code. Turn. Okay. What we need as well is full name. Like the difference if follower subs. Yeah, F or S. Might look weird. Followers. But if the platform is follower subs is subscribers. We have that. And here for now we'll say platform and break and current amount of goal amount, another break, and after that a lot of breaks. Fuck me. Okay. Then here we will do print goal card. Body goal card of the platform, which gonna be YouTube. The current amount is current YouTube subs. Then the goal is next goals at YouTube at amount. And here we have next goals at YouTube at text. And we're gonna copy that for all three. Which, and the then that should already work quite good. YouTube 195 of 200. Twitch 100. Oh, obviously. Followers and followers. Yeah, obviously this is now 0 because Twitch API is just gone. At least for now. Nice. Yeah, it looks already super good. And I think this is how we leave it for today. The next time we just need to do cards. Donation usage will be something purely database oriented, so I will update it in the database. Yeah. Looking good. Looking super nice. A little bit worried that Twitch API is still done. Maybe can we get an information how request dial. Get from there the headers this and that. It works though. Lol. We just have if data is null, then we return null. Eh? Live result is null. Gold says too many Twitch API calls. But setting. Oh god. No. Okay, now we really don't get one. Now we got one. Why is it? Maybe let's do it if error is not null. Then we do this. Maybe this works. Undefined error. I mean, that was the plan. PHP, JSON, tag. He exists. Thank you. Well, it's sad. Be good. That makes sense. I need Twitch API calls. Eh? Are you retarded? Or we're just unlucky. Or is null the same as false? That could be. How about we return -1 on an error, 1 on live, and 0 on not live. How about that? -1. Life result is 0. We hide it. And finally. Can I get audience on 28? Oh, because we don't have it in here. Obviously. So, if an error is set, we get -1. So there can't be thing. There can be. So this should work now. So if we don't get a response from Twitch anymore, it was another error. Trying to get property 144 on schedule. What? Schedule 100. Well, then the error should. Okay, still confused. Not fetching all of it. Okay, sometimes we just get just don't get a result without having an error though. Zero of audience goals 31. Because it's not doing this. Why? If there's an error in the request, is there like okay, we leave. Definitely. Okay. Yeah, that should be it for today. The next Rebirth stream will be tomorrow in the morning. Yep. So we see us guys there.